Karon guys, ana sila. Ngano ang lalaki it's very easy to them to cheat on their partner, but they cannot think ahead. Hindi nila maisip yon na pag magloko ako, yung asawa ko nagtino, magloko ako, ano kayang kahihinat na nito? Ganun. So they think that if they cheat and they will beg you for forgiveness and forget about it, it's very easy. No, it's not like that. If you cheat now, then you ask forgiveness to me and I should forget it. No. Even until I will die. Even I will die now, I cannot forget it. And yes, maybe it's forgiven, but it's not going to forget about like that. No. Hindi mo makakalimutan yun, guys, na alam mo yon na, ay, sorry, hindi ko na uulitin or ganito, ganyan, ganyan. Hindi mo makakalimutan yun. Dadalhin mo yun sa hukay. Alam mo niyo yung ganun na hindi porket na humingi kayo ng tawad, sasabihin ninyo, forgive and forget. No. It's not easy like that. Hindi easy ang ganun na I should forgive him and forget about it. No. No way. Because every minute, you will think how they knock themselves, how he is knocking to that woman, how did they do? No. It's very impossible. No. It can never be vanished in the brain of the woman that their partner cheat. Because if the woman will cheat also, they cannot accept that woman because the woman is dirty already. You know? Some men don't tolerate nonsense also. That if their wife will cheat, they cannot accept it and forgive and forget. So it's the same thing of the woman. So forgiveness, it might be 50-50, but forget cannot be forget. Yun lang. Kaya mong, siguro, ang pagpatawad, hindi mo man maibigay ngayon, pero, siguro kung makita mo sa tao na deserve naman niyang patawarin kasi nagbago or whatever, pero, yung nangyari ngayon, tapos patatawarin mo kaagad, parang okay lang, tapos parang walang nangyari, tapos sasabihin kalimutan, no! It's impossible. Magdusa ka. Yun lang yun. Mahirap yung ganun na forgive and forget immediately. No way.